Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow Gmail to access your media on your device. In this updated guide, we will walk you through the steps to grant the necessary permissions to Gmail for a seamless media access experience. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. This can usually be found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and locate the section labeled Apps or Application Manager. Please note that the wording may vary depending on your device model. Next, find and select Gmail from the list of apps displayed on your screen. Once you've selected Gmail, tap on Permissions to view and manage the app's permission settings. Here, you'll see a list of permissions that Gmail requests. To allow Gmail to access your media files, toggle on the switch next to Files and Media or Storage. This action grants Gmail permission to access the files it needs to function properly. Once you've enabled this permission, select Allow Access to Media to confirm your choice. Congratulations! You have successfully allowed Gmail to access your media files on your device. By following these steps, you can ensure that Gmail functions smoothly and efficiently when handling media files. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips.